you're hungry but you don't have time for cooking, instead of preparing a meal, simply enter your menu choices into the machine and your dinner will appear before you. When we talk about additive manufacturing, we often think of plastics or metals, but food? That's new. And yes, some 3D printers do allow for the creation of sweets, pastries, chocolates, and dishes of all kinds. Even if we're not convinced yet that those machines will replace our ovens and microwaves, they have an interesting potential, don't you think? Let's suppose that you work in a restaurant, right? And of course you save a preset for a certain meal. And whenever this meal is requested, you just press a button and everything will appear before you. The raw materials is fed into a syringe-like container and extruded as the nozzle is moving around to trace shapes and form 2D layers one at a time. In terms of controlling the diversity and amount of nutrients, vitamins, and calories per meal, 3D printing food allows for more precision. It has the potentiality to present food in a more attractive way and in complicated shapes. A very simple 6-layer design can take 7 minutes to print, while more detailed 3D models take more than 45 minutes.